Okay guys, so I am at this beautiful restaurant. I have Chastity over here. Yes, what's the name of this restaurant again you got me at?
It's called the Henry, and it's really good.
Yes. Look at it guys, it's so pretty. So right now I just ordered some water. She has some delicious wine. Yes, le damos una. Hey. And I actually have a lemon drop coming, so I'll show y'all that in a minute, which they are really good. If you haven't had a lemon drop, make sure you get one. And she's over there, like I said, snapping. Yes, make sure y'all follow her, Chastity Simone.
Yes. Guys, we're gonna let y'all know how the food tastes after it comes out.
Yes, I'll show y'all guys. And look at that, and like people like live up there above the like restaurants and stuff. Right there just brought me my lemon drop. Look at this. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, it is like really wasting, y'all. Look. Oh my gosh. It's good, but why did they feel that way to the top? They're trying to get me drunk. They're trying to get me Okay, on that note, guys, we'll be right back.
Sorry, guys.
Look at that. Hey. Thank you so much. Look at that. That does look good. Yes.
Wait. It's not giving me no option to like toast it. I'm mad.
Oh wow, that's weird. Alright, so we are about to really smash on this food. About to sit here and we're gonna let y'all know how it tastes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pray. Alright, thank you for the food that they prepared today. May you nourish our body, may you continue to bless our families, continue to bless us, continue to bless us with our health, and continue to just push us in the right direction. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Amen. Alright guys, now I'm gonna try. This is like that spicy jalapeno. Yeah, you wanna try some?
No, I'm good.
Is it good? It's good. It's good, okay. What did they say? Like, it's a winter chicken dinner or something? How does it go? Okay. Now this is interesting. Like, how like the sauce is like, is it like a homemade sauce? I don't know, it kind of looks like something barbecue. Or does it work for it? I don't know, I'm gonna use a knife. We're gonna see, like the sauce is like red, I'm using a knife just to cut it. Good.
This is good too.
It's good for like the broth is good. So I don't even know what I'm gonna try next time because I know we're gonna be back. Super good.
I know. That's so fast. Looking good for you?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's good. Thank you. Get my friend more in the shot. She in this vlogging with me today. I dragged her in it.
That's why I'm
going to ask for this, guys. I'm kidding. It's good though. It really is good.
It's good, and it's, thank God it's not that spicy like you said. I hate spicy.
It's so good. I'm like licking my fingers. It's like the sauce is actually good. It is. And I'm like, you want to try something? Sure. Got it cut fiber.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm about to try this pepper. My friend already took a piece. She said it's hot. I don't believe her. I like hot stuff, so here I go.
Oh my God. Tell me. Wait. It's about to come.
Bro, it's hot.
This shit is hot. Hold on. What are you about to do? That's not gonna work. What are you about to do?
Oh my God.
I told you.
It's hot. Okay, cool. All right, you guys like don't try that at home. Don't eat pepper no more. Don't come here and eat a pepper.
Especially, no, it's hot. My mouth is still
I'm
burning.
breathe the air and like.
Is it working? I started sweating. Are you sweating? Your makeup set though. You look good.
Ooh, I look good.
You look good. No to those guys.
No. Don't do it.
No. All right,
Yeah.
we'll be back.
No, like. Cut it. Alright, so look at my plate. I killed it. And let me tell y'all, these are the messiest ribs ever though. Like I promise you, they the messiest ribs ever. She ate kind of a lot. But she really, look at this, look at this. She really did fuck that broth up though. Like, excuse my French, but she really fucked that broth up.
It was good. It was super good.
It was super good.
I need to get the menu so when we come back next Saturday, I can know what I want. I know I'm not getting the ribs because
Yeah.
Miss Cassidy.
Alright. This is our beautiful waiter.
So cute.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, so let us pay for our food and get to going. Alright, so we are leaving. Yes, we got our to-go boxes because you already know that we don't eat a lot.
How'd everything taste?
It was really good. It was our first time. We're actually gonna come back on Saturday. We're having like a little girls brunch and we're gonna come back on Saturday. So we were just like tasting and just like kind of like checking the menu and stuff.
Alright.
So we'll be back. We'll be back.
Go enjoy.
Thank you.
Bags from the pack.
Bag? Yeah, I'll grab you all back.
Oh, you grabbed some? Alright, thank you.
Two?
Yes.
Yes. So we're just gonna wait for him to bring us a bag. Look at her. Say hey.
Hey guys.
Y'all see that scenery by the way? The sun is setting. Super cute.
We're about to go take pictures.
Yes, we're about to get pictures and be real cute. Alright, so stay tuned for our photo shoot. Look at this, you guys. Yes, we have it in the bag. Look at that. It says Fox Restaurant Concepts. And yeah, so like we said, we're about to actually take some photos. She's gonna be my fabulous photographer. Yes, look her up, baby. So we're gonna take them like around this area and about to get this shoot popping, y'all. All right, let's get it.